Good evening, guys. I am making video, I guess fifth video, truly, genuinely, honestly, fifth video in just 3 hours because raining is very high, and as I already mentioned that in the same month, July, 2 times flood been hitted southern region of Gujarat state of India, of Western India. So I have already uploaded many videos and many views. Thank you for watching and love you guys. So now already weather forecast warned and their prediction and messages that heavy rain is going on and rain is coming and rain is happening as per their and as per their calculation and as per their vision. So I got and I felt that this is the chance to make videos, and I turned on for at least around 10 minutes, I can say that. So I am filming for you and for me, and I am sharing and I am continue to sharing, carry forward for my journey and this in front of you that now it's 1,69,220 kilometers, 169,220 kilometers. Tata AV it's and you can see many cars due to flood on a new overbridge of River Ambi because many cars got damages, and now you can see that its weather forecast was true, is true. I can say that 100% because lots of water in Ambika river, and you can see that even water touch below surface of old bridge just another side of this and lots of huge. Now river is getting already river is a huge wild and dirty water, fresh water of rainwater. Now you can see, so they were true, and God bless us and God bless our people that gonna struggle. Now you can see people's automobile cars, lots of, because lots of damages already happened, and you can see that. So now thank God that I am living at upper part of my region. I have to face road closure, but thank God my home is safe and my parking safe, my car safe. You'd thank, otherwise with loan and EMIs it's really hell hard. Now I am taking my EV from my village way. My uncle told me this way may be open, close, maybe open or not. Let's check it out on my way, because adventure and driving and exploring and traveling is my love. So driving and exploring, and which I did over Jamnagar also. So let's see. This is my village road, my native, and today's date on Samsung Fit 3 band, 31st July, last date of July month, and oh no, huge damage. You can see that that's a farms been hit by flood, because this area is now you can see after flood, because river came here and all over around in surroundings Ambika river only. So that's the reason so much damages happened here. We have spotted the caste farm and lot more. I hope that my way to Amalsad open, otherwise I have to drive back from big road, because already we can see water on roads and higher possibility maybe this was wall and it's now broken due to floods from Ambika river. Fencing gone all. You can see by yourself. Nothing here. All walls and fencing almost all gone. There is some few fencing which stayed, but most of fencing gone. Obviously, even wall gone, stone wall. Then it's very hard for fencing. That's a written meta for you. It's my native, my street, and God bless my tire. Oh, this fencing and gone, all gone. Lots of damages to farmers and that's little my farm. Oh, fencing, still fencing there. Thank God, but got the damage, but still there. Wow, it's a miracle. This little farm, mine and my uncle and that's the street of my native village, and that was my farm. That is my farm. Now see, hope way to Taliara to Amalsad is open and still operational for 4-wheelers. Otherwise I have to drive return. Lots of mud. It's very hard and not preferable and not recommended for 2-wheeler because so much slip, so much chances of accident, and it's horrible. And if you get चालू के जवाई के चालू के ओके चलो चेक कर लिया I have asked to local person that possible to go through this way. It look like I am gonna take this for 15 or 20 minutes because this is a small road to Amalsa town and I am not gonna miss a video. There is a one bike coming backside myself. I won't miss this. Thank God. I came. My guts, my courage, I can say that. Because I have been at Jamnagar and I have driven 169,223 kilometers in 3 years and 3 to 4 months. So I always love to try new things and adventure and love, and so that's a huge. Oh man, I have to take care of car also because if it's stuck, then it will be major problem because this is not a off-road car or off-road gypsy or off-road any huge vehicle. This is passenger electric vehicle, EV, simple passenger electric vehicle. So I have to take care of that thing. I have to be careful with its limits and its utilization. It's a great because this is a 4th monsoon with fast charging and slow charging at home and driving in 4th monsoon. So you can understand and you can feel that. Wow, this is now looks like a lake, small lake. This was my land once upon a time. My daddy used to sit there. Now it's I have sold. no worries. And let's see, the road is going pretty good, bike coming backside me, so there is a hope that I am gonna make to Amalsad town. Yeah, moped coming, so definitely not a big deal, but I have to careful regarding tire, because 2 tire with tubes, and maximum possibility that tubes gonna get a puncture, or otherwise big puncture. I will have to change whole tube, and it's gonna cost a lot. So my plan to buy soon 2 tubeless tire, and so, or 4 tubeless tire, great. Then spare wheel gonna be with tube, doesn't matter because it's a spare wheel, it's not a full-time use, barely, only on a big puncture or tire blast time. So I'm trying to improve my English. Now I have to continue watch Hollywood movies again. I will, and my English good, but not a great, I can say. As already mentioned in previous video that my surroundings in Gujarati language communication and mother tongue, and some in Hindi language, national language, Indian language. So in communication, my English speaking and writing and listening good, but representation I have to improve on, and I will through resources. You also welcome to comment any mistake or anything, please. I don't mind. Even I love that. Even if you correct me, then I will appreciate you 100%. And thank you for watching. Please click like if you feel that I am doing good, I am sharing good, I am sharing valuable video and content that inspire you, that you love, that you think that it's really worthy to spend the time. So thank God that I almost at the road to Amalsad, and I can see BMW. GJ06 means Vadodara city, Baroda city. Now Jai Khodiar Ma, Jai Mataji. Khodiar Ma's temple at the left, and my way also left. Now great that Damracha buggy man shifting his gear horse outside, because if a heavy rain gonna happen, then it's a serious and dangerous thing to this kind of beautiful and innocent animals. So this is the cricket ground local, and just backside it my society, Suvidabad society, where I lived my 10 years with my daddy and dear mom. Now that horse is going, looks beautifully. Thank you to that horse that making my video worthy. And you can see that's left side lake name TATA itself, because that area and that village name well known TATA. And this is a Tadav. Tadav means lake, small water reservoir. Means Tadav means lake, I can say that. And I have to drive right side because I am heading towards Amalsad Chiku Mandi, world famous, India's #1 Chiku market, local sweet fruit of my region of India. And it's even juice taste great. It's a juice tastes like a cocoa, because I used to drunk several times. My mom made before 9 years and served me, and it's a great taste with milk, mostly with milk. Yes, Chiku juice is really great because Chiku is a sweet and local. Mangoes also here, but mainland here for Chiku, because mango it's not all time, it's a yearly, and Chiku all season, 3 to 4 times, 5 to 6 times in a year.